Ah. Oh. Same what happened last time. Ah. Just like ah. Checking out the camera. Probably waiting for a flash. You got the hiccup. What does that mean?